Well, it's a sad day. Project 4Banger's going away. A lot of good videos with it, a lot of repair stuff on it. So those wheels are awesome. You got 18-inch wheels from a 2011. I believe it's the Sahara wheels that you get, or Rubicon. Not real sure. These are blacked out, which is nice. Got some fog lamps. It's really fun to drive, really easy to drive, and even though it's a 4-cylinder, it's got a lot of pep because of the stick. The interior is awesome. It's mint. I mean, literally, it looks like a brand new one. So that's pretty awesome. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to replace your old top on your Jeep TJ. And we're going to be replacing it with a quadra top. As you can see, I'm unboxing it here. So this is going to be a step-by-step on how to replace your top. A little bit of carbon buildup around the edges, but it looks pretty clean for the most part. Finished up doing the bumper and the whole front end here, so take you guys get a closer look at all this. Pull it out. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got like got a lot of junk in there. Pull this guy out. There's the old one. We're just gonna pop the new one in. It looks like. So we're just gonna coat everything in this stuff here. Have some dirt and grime in here. We can kind of just take it and just do a little bit of scrubbing in here. Get all the dirt and grime before we looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than the way we started. Yeah, this stuff's awesome, especially for like super faded headlights and stuff. I did my cousin's I think it's a 98 Camry, and you could barely see out of the headlight, or the light could, it was really foggy looking. This stuff made it look like brand new, which is awesome. So today we're working on Project 4Banger. I got a couple things I want to work on. I was having a little bit of an issue starting, so I'm not sure if it's the starter, but I need to clean all the connections off from when the valve cover gasket was leaking down over the engine. I think it might have gotten on the starter and the connections. So I'm going to clean all those up, clean the grounds up, and kind of see how it goes. And then also there's a ground wire that leads from, I believe, the engine to the frame here. And it looks like one of the wires is actually gone. It looks like it was kind of melted. So take a look at that. And then also the exhaust has a little bit of a rattle to it. So I'm going to take a look at that. So, oh yeah, we're a little loose here. So it looks like I just need to tighten up these 2 bolts here. There we go. Oh yeah, that's much solid. We're not wobbling at all anymore. Good, problem solved with that. Super clean. To strip these at all, but just get them just tight. These coolant hoses you can kind of pull out of the track here and kind of move these guys out of the way, but just get them kind of snug here. Take this guy out by hand. Then I did disconnect this little guy, and you just take this little tab, pop it out, and then you just push down on there. Okay, there we go. So this comes actually pre-applied with some anti-seize on it. So I would definitely recommend, if yours doesn't, put a touch on there. Make it easy. We're going to be replacing the thermostat in it, as well as the radiator gasket. If your TJ's got a bunch of miles on it, this probably isn't going to come off super easy like this. You probably need to scrape off these edges here. We're probably going to clean it off anyway, but here's the thermostat. Okay. So let's see if I can even see the crack. Go ahead and stick it on in here. Okay. That one broke loose, all right. So here's what this one looks like. Seems the gap is quite large. In here, put all these together again. Okay, so this is what they look like. Jeep's got 105,000 miles on it. These are definitely the original spark plugs. All right, he's loading her up. It's a little dark, so sorry about that, guys, but getting her loaded up.
Dang it.
Well, know, Project 4-banger took it like a champ. Just a little bit of damage on the rear, but the rust is way worse than that actual crack, so it was no big deal. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for now for Project 4-banger. Hopefully in the future we can do some more videos on it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you enjoyed the series of all the videos on Project 4-banger. Hopefully it helped you guys out, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.